Good morning, y'all. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday up in this thing. It's me, your girl, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. If you are new to the channel, this is Candle News Network. Candle News Network, we go over just anything news sales-wise at Bath & Body Works or some places that deal with hygiene in particular that I shop at that, piques my interest. So that's what this is all about. So we're going to get into this edition of Candle News Network. Bath & Body Works has really been saying is that when it comes to sales, and they like, we ain't giving you no whole bunch of sales. They just not doing it right now. But if you place an order now, by March 28th, my birthday, you'll have it in time for Easter is what they're saying on the website. So you have to place that order and have it in by my birthday, which is March 28th. And then you'll make sure that you'll have your order in time for Easter. I didn't know people gave Bath & Body Works as Easter gifts. I don't do the Easter gifts thing. I thought Easter was about the resurrection and making sure kids had Easter baskets sometime. But hey, I'm old school. That might just be me. Speaking of March 28th, my birthday, my birthday and all, I did get some birthday gifts in the mail to the P.O. Box. So I will be doing, a birthday haul. I'll do a birthday haul from my subscribers, and I might do my haul of the things I got for my birthday together, or I might do them separate. I'll probably do them separate because I want to appreciate y'all separately. So I'll probably put it in Candle News Network for tomorrow. It'll be the unboxing of the gifts I got. But I want to talk about this. They were doing the 5 for $24 on the wallflowers. But my thing is, what happened to the vanilla? You remember vanilla was supposed to drop, and it has never shown up. So what's good, Bath & Body? Like, if you got vanilla in y'all stores, let me know. I ain't been in the store in about a week. Like, that's been a long time for me. Like, a week without Bath & Body Works? I think I might have to go buy Bath & Body Works today. I just might have to. I've been going through some withdrawals, y'all. Now they got the buy 3, get 2 free. They still running that promotion. Y'all, I think this weekend they about to pop off though. Watch. I think they're gonna have a good sale this weekend. Watch. I think they're gonna do it. I think they're gonna do it, but they might not because they know Easter coming up. Now the candles for the 1 week still 2 for $20. Still 2 for $20. Can I get a $6.50 sale? I'm kind of starting to appreciate the $6.50 sale because it don't come around as much as I thought it would. So can I get a $6.50 or a $6? I said $6 would make me hollers, but yeah, because I'm really, I gotta pull the trigger on these 1 week candles. I have to. So for $6, I definitely could do that. And I wanted to share some things from SCENTSGALORE. SCENTSGALORE posted a whole bunch of new. If you're not following her link, a lot of times in Candle News Network is there almost every single video. Go and follow SCENTSGALORE. Now this is the new aromatherapy shampoo. To me, this looks very Dollar Tree-ish. Like, seriously, I don't like the packaging on this one. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. But it just looks really cheap, and it's supposed to be the sleep version. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. It's not my cup of tea. But I don't use their shampoos. I don't use their conditioners, because normally I like things that are sulfate and paraben free for me and my kids' hair. Now, the Love by Bath & Body Works, she shared that it has essential oil in it. I need this, like, period. I like the rose vanilla. Even though I am not a rose person, the rose vanilla is life. I absolutely love that line. So yeah, the essential oils got to come home with me. I think it said it was $13.50, I believe. It just got to come home with me. There's no thinking about it. There's no maybe. There's no possible. I need to have this because it's just one of the items that I absolutely love from Bath & Body Works. The vanilla in it overtakes the rose, and it's just really, really good. Now let's talk about the Beehive. You can either be Beehive or you want to rumble with the bee, huh? Bzz, throw a hex on your whole family, dressed in all black like the what? Okay, all right. So you can either be Beehive or you could be Queen Bee and down with Lil Kim. You could be either one. Okay, you will appreciate this. I need 2 of these. These are legit fire. Like, seriously, Bath & Body Works, who is working with y'all with coming up with stuff? Whoever it is, gotta be in touch with what's going on in society and what we like. Because this right here, this is not traditional Bath & Body Works to me. This is a real big upgrade. Let me upgrade you, okay? With that black, with that gold, with that okay? Yeah, like, yes. I need all that. All right. So, since Galore also did share the new Sunshine Mimosa line, of course, we've shared that with you as well, gave our thoughts on the Sunshine Mimosa line. One thing that she showed was that interests me a lot too was the wallflower. So the wallflower is out in Sunshine Mimosa now too. I need that, period. I need at least 2 of those. I like Sunshine Mimosa a lot. So I want to get the Sunshine Mimosa wallflowers for my car. Oh, Lord. For my kitchen. Oh, goodness. I'm in the car. That's why I'm probably thinking car. But I need to get it for my kitchen. I need it. Like, what's life without this in my kitchen? I need it. It's going to be a nice odor eliminator. But my favorite thing from the whole Sunshine Mimosa, I said it before, is the perfume. The perfume is legit. And even people that have just smelt it in stores, they told me the same thing. The perfume slaps. Like, the perfume is it, girl. Like, get that perfume and get that scrub and get that moisturizing body wash. You be straight. And you can add on whatever oils you like to put on in the summer. And this is just a great summertime. Speaking of scents, y'all, did y'all catch yesterday's video? Most complicated gym edition Bath and Body Works. Yes, the best scents for in the gym. Because when you go to the gym, yes, you can still have scents going. It's 2 scents I forgot, and one hurts me to my core. Okay, that I forgot this scent. It's hurting me to my core. One of my subscribers brought it up. She was in shock. I was in shock too. Y'all, Beachfront Blanket. I don't know how I forgot Beachfront Blanket. I have 4 Beachfront blankets. I'm in love with Beachfront Blanket. They don't have it anymore. You can find it on Mecari and all those other places. But Beachfront Blanket, period. Beachfront Blanket should have been number 2, because it can't be number 1. Magnolia Charm is number 1, period. Okay, but number 2, Beachfront Blanket. I'm sorry I did not mention that, but that is a nice powdery fresh scent. Like, where was I and how did I forget that? I don't know. Maybe I was still in squat mode. I don't know. But Beachfront Blanket is definitely one that you need to have in your gym rotation if you don't already have it in your gym rotation. So yeah, I had to add that in. And who shared this? I Am Bored shared this when they did this sale over the weekend, and I have to add to this as well and say, it ain't gonna happen. Stop trying. We don't care. Okay? Stop trying to make $15.95 happen. They're trying to make these $15.95 candles happen so bad. Like, stop trying to make this happen. And if we keep not buying during $15.95 day, they will keep giving us our $14.50 back. I miss the days of $11.50 and $12.50. Where those days go? Like, it just jumped up so quick. So stop trying to make $15.95 happen, Bath and Body Works. You give us at least our $14.50. Goodness. So that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and DJ in the traffic. Play my music.